Hello there, and welcome back. The holidays were wonderful, weren't they? Full of joy, connection, and perhaps a little more indulgence than usual. If you're feeling a bit sluggish or ready for a fresh start, you are definitely not alone. Many of us jump straight into extreme diets after the holidays only to feel overwhelmed and give up quickly. But what if there was a kinder, more sustainable way to get back on track? Let's explore a gentle, staged approach to post-holiday wellness. Think of this as a gradual re-entry, not a crash landing. Drastic changes often lead to burnout and frustration, making it harder to stick to your goals long-term. Our bodies and minds thrive on consistency, not sudden shocks. A staged approach allows you to build healthy habits one step at a time. Each small victory builds confidence, making the next step feel much more achievable. This method focuses on sustainable lifestyle changes, not just quick fixes. Let's start with the simplest yet most powerful change: hydration. After holiday treats and perhaps a few festive drinks, your body is likely craving water. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout your day. Swap out sugary drinks like sodas and juices for plain water, herbal tea, or sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon. This small shift can significantly reduce your sugar intake without feeling like a deprivation. Focus on adding more whole, unprocessed foods to your plate. Don't worry about strict calorie counting just yet. Simply try to include a fruit or vegetable with every meal. This stage is about gentle replenishment and setting a foundational habit. Now that you're well hydrated, let's bring in mindful eating. Before you eat, take a moment to truly observe your hunger levels. Are you genuinely hungry, or are you eating out of habit or emotion? Pay attention to your food as you eat. Notice the flavors, textures, and how your body feels. Eating slowly allows your brain to register fullness, helping you avoid overeating. This isn't about restriction, but about awareness. Increase your intake of nutrient-dense foods. Think colorful vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Try to fill half your plate with vegetables at lunch and dinner. This naturally boosts vitamins and fiber. With a solid foundation, we can now introduce more structure. Plan your meals a few days in advance to reduce stress and make healthier choices easier. Having healthy snacks readily available can prevent impulsive decisions. Consider incorporating balanced meals that include protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This combination keeps you feeling full and energized throughout the day. Listen to your body's signals for hunger and satiety. Now, let's gently add movement. You don't need to hit the gym for hours. Start with a 15-minute walk each day or try a gentle stretching routine. The goal is consistency, not intensity. Find an activity you genuinely enjoy. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. There will be days when you slip up, and that's perfectly okay. Don't let one less than perfect meal derail your entire progress. Simply acknowledge it and get back on track with your next meal. Flexibility is key to long-term success. Allow yourself occasional treats without guilt. The goal is to build a healthy relationship with food and your body, not to achieve perfection. Celebrate every small victory along the way. Focus on how these changes make you feel: more energized, clearer-headed, and stronger. These positive feelings are powerful motivators. Consistency over perfection is the mantra for lasting wellness. You've got this. Starting a post-holiday reset doesn't have to be daunting or punishing. By taking a staged, gentle approach, you're setting yourself up for sustainable success and a healthier, happier you. Begin with hydration, move to mindful eating, and then incorporate structure and movement. Each step builds upon the last, creating a strong foundation for your well-being. Be kind to yourself, be patient, and enjoy the journey. If you like this video, hit that like button, share it to your friends, and subscribe if you aren't already. It really helps the channel grow. hit that notification icon so you won't miss on future contents. You might also like these videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.